August 15th, 5 a.m. The city was asleep, but my ride had already begun. By 6:15, I met my fellow riders at Electronic City. Engines warmed up, spirits high, and we rolled out together. Alright riders, quick briefing before we roll out. Stay in a single line. Don't overtake the ride captain. And maintain an average speed of 60 to 70 kilometers per hour. Our route took us through NH 844 and NH 44, smooth highways, endless roads, and the morning breeze. After 122 kilometers, about 2 hours and 15 minutes, we stopped for breakfast at Hotel Service, Copper. Hot food, quick laughs, and a refuel for the next stretch. By 9:30, we were back on the road, now riding along NH 544H. Another 110 kilometers later, around noon, we reached Gangapuram for lunch at Sri Kumki restaurant. After lunch, we celebrated Independence Day. Special moment on the road, away from home, but united in spirit. We were back on the road, now riding along. From there, the toughest part of the ride began. Each passing kilometer felt heavier than the last. Slippery roads and crowded stretches slowed our pace, but not our spirit. With every twist, the mountains reminded us that adventure never comes easy. On the way, the last 30 kilometers took us through the beautiful sandalwood forests of Marioor. The scent of nature, the sound of rain, and the feeling of riding through something timeless. It wasn't just a ride anymore, it was a battle with the elements. Rain above and traffic all around. Yet, the thought of reaching Munnar kept us pushing forward. "170 kilometers through Udamalpat-Paladam. Rain-soaked roads, heavy traffic, narrow bends, and forest checkposts between Tamil Nadu and Kerala tested our patience. By 6:30 p.m., after more than 400 kilometers, we finally reached our stay, Sandalwood Resort, Marayur. It was raining, the air was cool, a hot cup of tea and a traditional Kerala-style dinner made it all worth it. Bodies were tired, but hearts full of memories. We slept early, ready for tomorrow's adventure. Good morning. The next morning, breakfast was served at 8 a.m. and by 9:30 a.m. rolled out to explore Munnar. The rain wasn't stopping. It almost felt like the clouds didn't want us to leave the resort, but our spirit was stronger. With rain drizzling, we started our ride towards Lockhart Gap view. The journey was magical tea gardens on both sides, winding hilly roads, clouds floating low, and raindrops on our visors. Even with rain gear, the showers found their way in, but that only made the ride more raw, more real. Every curve revealed a new view. Every climb felt like riding into the clouds. The scent of wet earth, the sound of engines echoing through the valleys, and the constant drizzle turned this ride into pure bliss on two wheels. After 52 kilometers, we finally reached Lockhart Gap view. The sight was breathtaking, every drop of rain, every twist of the road was worth it. Just 2 kilometers ahead was Rock Cave, once a hideout for thieves who looted travelers. We skipped it. Choosing instead to head back towards Munnar. Turn back 14 kilometers to visit the tea museum. A quick dive into Munnar's tea heritage, warm aromas and stories of the hills. On our way, around 2:30 p.m., we stopped for an authentic Kerala lunch experience. The place was called Homely Meals. Yes, that's the name. A small house seating barely 10 to 12 people, but the food, there are no words to describe the taste. Our stomachs were full, yet we wanted more. After lunch, we rode back to the resort. The rain still hadn't stopped, but the evening came alive with a campfire and DJ night. Music, dance, laughter, and non-stop rain drizzling in the background. Songs on request, endless fun, and dinner late at 10:30 p.m. Hearts happy and bodies tired, we called it a night. Tomorrow, an early morning ride back to Bangalore awaits. Bye bye, take care, ride safe. We'll see you in the next video with another ride story.